I save hundreds of dollars by buying spray paint cans and lubricant cans at estate sales. The problem is I don't have any place to put them all. Right now, they're scattered all over my basement and in my garage. So I've scoured the internet looking for a solution. Right now, I have 3 possibilities. Let me show them to you. This wood shelf thing I found in the alley, but it might serve as a solution to store my spray paints. Check it out. So if I put a back on it, it seems like it might work, but it's going to require a lot of work. Option number 2. This is a bed frame that I found in the garbage. I also cut up a bunch of shelves. What I could do, I could create a shelf like this and angle all of the shelves. I can store my cans here. So this is option number 2. Let me show you option number 3. This here is an old CD shelf that I found in the garbage last week. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. It has good wood. I was going to salvage it or use it for something. And then it hit me.
You like it? I like it. I like it.
Each shelf can hold 10 cans. That's 80 cans total. This is clearly the obvious choice. But what I'm going to do is support the bottom a little bit better and then add some wheels so I can move this around. What I need to do first is clean this up. It has splatters of who knows what's on it. It could have been in a basement. It could have mold spores. Who knows? So I'll clean it up and make it look presentable. I'm using denatured alcohol with very fine steel wool. Paint thinner will also work. Before the solvent dries, wipe it off with a paper towel. Once the whole shelf is clean inside and out, I mix up a small batch of wipe-on polyurethane. I do this with a 50-50 mix of oil-based polyurethane and some paint thinner. I don't even measure it, I just eyeball it. Then take a small rag, dip it in, and wipe it on. This is going to be a very thin coat of finish, almost like a sanding sealer. It does retain a nice shine. I put it on all of the dowel rods and even in between. This is going to dry very quickly on a warm day like today. I want to mount wheels on the bottom of mine so I can move it around if needed. To do that, I'm going to need to add some support wood to the bottom so it'll be even with the existing base. I'll drill some pilot holes and countersink them so the screws won't stand out. That is one nice spray paint shelf made out of an old CD holder. This is perfect. It was so easy. I was able to fit 11 cans on each shelf. That's 88 spray cans, all organized by color from darks on the bottom and light colors as you get to the top. And then I also have 12 of these cans on the top shelf. If you don't have a shelf like this, they're probably pretty simple to find on Facebook Marketplace, a yard sale, or even an estate sale. But this is going to work out great. I have plenty of storage and it's all in one place. I can look here and see exactly what I have and what I need. I'm Tom. This is Alley Picked, and thanks for watching.